All right, today we're gonna bring a street lamp. It's an LED lamp. If you guys can see it, it has a sensor for day and night, all right, and also for movement. Back of it, large solar panel. If you guys can see it, very constructive, very neat. Prior to setting it up, make sure you remove these little plastics. And it's very simple to set up. It gives you two metal pieces here. All right, I use this for the template all the time. If I'm going to put this on a post or any kind of wood structure, I always use it as a template. So this could go on any kind of metal pole or anything. This could go on concrete or wood. Now, they include the actual control here. Very simple, on and off. You got the different functions of lighting, the how many Ks you want, 100%, 50%, 25%, and 75%. And this is for sensor, and the sensor, motion sensor in the front, off and on, all right? Now, if you want the hours to certain hours on the actual lamp so it won't waste your battery, you could do 2 hours, 3 hours, 6 hours, 5 hours, and 8 hours. Normally, I just do day to night. It turns on automatically. You don't have to worry about it. If you lose the controller, you can always reset it by holding the power button on the actual system itself, and it will turn on automatically. So not a worry if you ever lose this. It'll automatically go to day to night. We're gonna set it up how it looks in the day and night. So let's go ahead and do that. .6 of you are not subscribers in my channel. I hope that the content helps you out and that you find it very useful. And I hope you hit the like and subscribe.